9. Tandag City, Cristel Correos. Galing, grabe. Elegante at simple ang atake pero may dating. I'm so satisfied in her walk, plus the smile and morena skin, perfect. 8. Kamigin, Erika Kadayday. Ganda, tangkad. This island girl is unstoppable. Plus ganda pa ng katawan at performance is wais, di ka magsisisi. A dark horse that will ruin your list. 7. Manila, Justin Beatrice Filisarta. Pagpasok pa lang, halatang plakado na. Hindi kulang, hindi sobra. Swak na swak ang performance, balansi at hindi overacting. Bet ko to. 6. La Union, Bea Milan Mindorski. May ibubuga talaga ang beauty na ito. Tangkad, ganda ng mukha at katawan, tsaka confidence at charisma ay nangingibabaw. All in package. 5. Cebu Province, Nicole Borromeo. Grabe, ganda, plus ang katawan at performance ay sakto lang. Tsaka yung smile niya ay perfect. Galing. I want her to be at the top 5. 4. Cebu City, April Smith. Grabe, ang laki ng improvement niya mula nung sumali siya noon sa Miss Universe Philippines. Grabe, ang galing. At this time, I swear, she can have a higher placement. 3. Cotabato Province, Clarissa Westram. Grabe, ang Mindanao candidates ngayon guys. Nangingibabaw ang galing at kagandahan. Clarissa Westram, my ultimate dark horse. Hindi ko in-expect na super ganda ang kanyang swimsuit performance plus ang katawan. Absolutely perfection 1,000%. 2. Baguio City, Roxy Bayens. Oh my God! Itong dilag na ito mula Luzon ay nangigibabaw at nag-uumapaw ang kagandahan. At saka yung smile niya, napaka-infectious. She delivers. She walks effortlessly and I can't wait what's for her. Number 1, Taguig, Bella Ismael. Well, beauty, body, performance, perfection, excellent. She's 1,000,000% for me. Plus her twirls, her rotations when she walks, when she poses, when she sees on the camera, she is so unique, and her ballerina dances and classes, and as a ballerina tutor herself, she is just outstanding. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.